Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Ads for online advertising, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Google Ads website and clicking on the Start Now button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, select the campaign type that aligns with your advertising goals. Choose between options like search, display, shopping, video, or app campaigns. Set your campaign name to something meaningful that represents your objectives. Define your advertising goal, which could include sales, leads, or website traffic. Select the geographic locations where you want your ads to appear. Choose your target audience based on demographics, interests, or behaviors. Set the daily budget you're willing to spend on this campaign. Choose your bidding strategy based on whether you want to focus on clicks, impressions, or conversions. Create ad groups within your campaign to organize your ads and keywords effectively. Add relevant keywords that align with your products or services for search campaigns. Write compelling ad copies that will attract users to click on your ads. Incorporate strong calls to action and highlight unique selling points. Configure ad extensions to provide additional information such as location, phone numbers, or links to specific pages. Preview your ads to ensure they appear correctly and meet Google's advertising guidelines. Review your campaign settings and make any necessary adjustments before launching. Click on the Publish button to activate your campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Google Ads dashboard regularly. Make data-driven adjustments based on the metrics you observe, such as clicks, conversions, and costs. Test different ad variations to see which performs best. Continuously optimize your ads and campaigns to improve results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.